Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. Today we have Samsung Galaxy S22 and I'm going to show you how to enable maintenance mode on this phone. So in order to do that, we can tap settings. In the settings you will see device care. We are gonna get into the device care. Everything looks great here. So this is your maintenance mode. Let's say if you're sending your phone for repairs or you're sending your phone for fixing any issues to the workshop like us. So what you can do, you can enable this maintenance mode, and while this maintenance mode is enabled, no one will be able to access your pictures, messages, and all your downloaded apps and everything, all including your accounts. Your accounts will be disabled and no one can access these accounts, and your personal stuff will be safe. So let's enable this, and I'm gonna restart the phone. Just creating a log. It's gonna take a while. Okay, the phone is on and the phone is in maintenance mode, so no one can access your pictures, your SMS messages, and all your downloaded apps, including your accounts. So the phone is fully functional, but your personal stuff cannot be accessed unless you provide the password. Thank you.